G'day, how you going? Firstly, I want to get out of the way. The salt comes out of the meat. Once you treat it properly, pre-cook, it tastes pretty much the same as the day you got it out of the supermarket. Now that's out of the way. If you want to find a way to maintain your ketogenic or your paleo diet whilst you're out in the great outdoors, regardless of what your activity is, skiing, canoeing, bushwalking, or you're just an old-fashioned meat-eating guy like me that likes his meat and fat, and all backpacking food tends to be chock-a-block full of carbohydrates. It leaves you feeling a bit crook afterwards, and yeah, you just want to go to sleep. But you want to be able to go camping and unplug from the fridge and the gas and the esky and all those sorts of things, or you're into your history and like to do stuff that people have been doing for thousands of years. You like to get some self-sufficiency, self-reliance, and be able to make your own food to take bush, or indeed have a way to preserve food that you get in the bush that you can replicate while you're out there. If so, stay tuned. This is part 3. We're going to do an unboxing, always popular. We're going to do a taste test of the stuff we've prepared, and then we're going to put the rest into deep storage, and we'll be testing that over coming months to see how the various methods I employ work. So hang around, we'll have some fun. Cheers. Here we go, 30 days in the salt, soak overnight, and just fried it up. Absolutely delicious. Everything that I would want. Tastes like it just came from the shop, and I fried it up. You wouldn't know it had spent 30 days packed in salt. So, definitely a winner. Righto, so as you saw, that didn't work out. I kept on trying for quite some time. Somebody else tried as well. We couldn't get the bags to maintain any kind of seal. But that system's worked in the past, so it has to just be a bad batch. Everything I planned to do in the bush hinged to some extent on that system. So big assumptions, natural assumptions to make. I think I've come up with a solution, so I'll be back. This solution won't be quite as good, but it should still work. If anyone's got any better ideas or suggestions or queries, just let me know,
put it in the comments section below. Not happy, Jan, but I'll be back. Cheers.